Hey everyone, so if you're not receiving emails in Gmail, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if it's important messages. I'll walk you through step by step how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, refresh your inbox because sometimes emails just haven't synced yet. Now check your spam folder because important emails can end up there by mistake. Also, check the All Mail section in case your emails were archived. Next, go to Settings and check Filters and Blocked Addresses. Now, check your Google storage because if it's full, Gmail stops receiving emails. Make sure email forwarding is not redirecting your messages somewhere else. If you're on mobile, make sure Gmail Sync is turned on. And finally, update or reinstall the Gmail app if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Gmail not receiving emails and get your inbox working again.